If you're about to use Exipure or you want to know more about it, make sure you watch this whole video so that you don't regret it later, because no one on the internet is talking about this for Exipure. So in this review video, I'll walk you through the scheme that might make you lose all your money and how to avoid it, and also include its potential effects, its price, and finally, will it work for you, cause there's no point buying a supplement that won't work for you. So let's get this video started. So the scheme that I am talking about works in such a way that there are a lot of smart guys out there who know that Exipure is a supplement that helps you lose weight naturally, that is taking the internet by storm and getting popular these days. So these smart guys have successfully copied and cloned the Exipure website that looks exactly like the official one, very hard to spot. So they reach out to people like you and me who want to lose weight, get healthy and fit, and say, hey, here's a discount or coupon to make us go through their website. And they want us to go through that duplicated website. And when we enter our bank account and other details, they then have access and withdraw as many withdrawals as possible. And it's nuts, because you won't receive anything in return, as they're not the official company that owns the Exipure supplement. So I've given the official Exipure website link down in the description. This is the official Exipure website where you can get your Exipure bottles from, which will be delivered intact. That way you'll be sure you are 100% safe. Now that you know the scheme, let me walk you through its potential effects, the pros and cons. So the first pro for Exipure is that it actually helps you lose weight by suppressing your food cravings and increasing your metabolism rate. The second pro is that you don't have to drop most of the food that you love eating, and that's something very rare to find among weight loss supplements. Generally, you need to cut down your calorie intake, especially carbs, and foods that include sugar. But that's not the case with Exipure. You just need to take the supplement consistently for some visible results. The third pro for Exipure is that it is approved by the FDA, which stands for the Food and Drug Administration, which makes it completely safe. The fourth pro for Exipure is that it comes with a 100% no questions asked money-back guarantee, making it risk-free. The final pro is its pricing. Exipure comes at a very affordable price. For some of you, it might be expensive, but trust me, there are thousands of weight loss products and supplements out there that do nothing at all. On the other hand, Exipure does work and provide results. So now let's move the cons. The first con for Exipure is that it's often out of stock. It's almost 10 to 15 days out of stock in 1 month, and that's something Exipure should do about. The second con is that there are a lot of duplicated websites that might take advantage of you. But it's also a kind of pro for you, because you now have the access to the 100% legit Exipure website that I've given in the description. It's now left over to you to weigh out the pros and cons and decide whether Exipure is something you would want or not. But to conclude this review video, if you're looking for a permanent weight loss solution, I would highly recommend giving Exipure a try, as there's nothing to lose. And if you ask me, I'll say yes. Exipure is worth every single penny and could turn things around for you to be in your dream shape. The only thing to keep in mind is that you're going through the official website. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like. That's it for this video. Have a great day.